Welcome to the part 2 of this series. In this video we'll improve our weapon script. So let's go. So let's start by improving our weapon script. Let's select it and let's open it. I need to open it this way, otherwise it doesn't work. Wait a second. Okay, so let's get started by creating some new variables. Let's create an int magazine capacity, an int bullets in magazine, a float fire rate delay. Let's give it a default value of 0.1. A float reload time, a bool can shoot, and let's initiate it with true. Same with has ammo, an automatic reload, automatic weapon. Now we'll be needing the start function, so let's write void start. And in here we say that the bullets in magazine is equal to the magazine capacity. So when we start the game, we have the maximum bullets available. Now let's go to the update function. Here we want, if you press it, the mouse button, and we have automatic weapon, then we can shoot. It also needs to have ammo, so has ammo, and if can shoot. You'll see why we have this later. For now, let's just write it like so. Else if input dot get mouse button down 0 and automatic weapon equals false. You can write it like this, or an exclamation mark at the start, it means the same. If has ammo, just like we did above, and if can shoot, we shoot. That looks alright. Now we need the input to reload the weapon. So if input dot get key down key code dot r. So when we press the R key, it will reload. We run the reload function, not reload time. Yeah, that looks fine. So now let's create an enumerator for the fire rate. So enumerator fire rate delay can shoot equals false because we are doing a delay. Yield return new wait for seconds fire rate delay, and then we can shoot again like so. Let's create another enumerator for the reload delay. Here we write can shoot equals false because we are reloading. Yield return new wait for seconds reload time, bullets in magazine equals magazine capacity. Here we reload the bullets, we have 30 again, and we now have ammo, and we can shoot. Yeah, that looks fine. Let's create our reload function here, void reload. Here we'll call the coroutine, start coroutine, reload delay. Yeah, we just need that on the reload. And now let's improve our shoot function. So first we start the coroutine, fire rate delay. Yeah, like so. Wait, what's wrong? Oh, I forgot right now. Then we instantiate the bullets. Bullets in magazine, we decrease one because we just shot one bullet. And if bullets in magazine are less or equal to 0, it means we have no ammo, so has ammo equals false. And if we have automatic reload enable, it will just reload our weapon. We don't need to press R. And let me check everything. Yeah, it seems fine. Let's just make it serializable. So serializable field. Serializable field. Here too. Here. And here. Now let's go back to Unity. Let's select our web player and our weapon. Here we can say the magazine size. We'll start with 30. Fire rate, let's give it a number, let's say 0.1, so it's faster. It will take 2 seconds to reload. We want our automatic weapon because it's an M4, it's not a pistol. And automatic reload, we leave it off for now. So let's test it. So if I hold, it's not working. Wait a second, let me check the script again. Yeah, my bad. Here it's get mouse button, remove the down on the first if. It should work now. So if you hold the left mouse, we can see you can shoot. When you don't have aim, we can shoot no longer. If you press R and wait 2 seconds, we can shoot again. There's no animation or sound yet. We'll do that later on another video. You can mess with the settings. Let's say, let's increase the fire rate. And let's make it not an automatic weapon. So like this, it's like a pistol. You need to click it to shoot. So automatic weapon. Yeah. If you hold the mouse now, it doesn't spray. You need to click it. It's like a pistol. But this is an M4, so we'll leave this on. And if you leave automatic reload, when you don't have any more bullets, it will just reload by itself. So 1, 2, and you shoot again. You don't need to press anything. It's up to you which one you want. So now you have kinda a cool script that you can play around and mess with it. On the next video we'll fix our bullets because they are not going to the center. And we'll create impact. So when we hit something, it leaves a mark. and we destroy the bullets. So if you want to watch that, just subscribe and I'll see you on the next video.